In this question, you have to match the items in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, fibrous joints do not allow any movement. And this type of joint is shown by the flat skull bones, which fuse end to end with the help of dense fibrous connective tissue in the form of sutures. Thus, A matches with 3. Cartilaginous joint is present between the adjacent vertebrae in the vertebral column, and this permits very limited movements. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, hinge joint is a type of synovial joint which is present in knee and help in locomotion. Thus, C matches with 4. Ball and socket joint is also a type of synovial joint which is present between the humerus and the pectoral girdle, and it allows a rotational movement. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option B.